honey never spoils. In the annals of culinary history, few revelations captivate the imagination as profoundly as the fact that honey never spoils. This enduring quality of honey is exemplified by a remarkable discovery made by archaeologists: pots of honey, found in ancient Egyptian tombs that are over 3,000 years old and still perfectly edible. In the arid landscapes of Egypt, where the sun-drenched pyramids stand as sentinels of the past, these pots of honey serve as sweet time capsules, preserving not only the essence of a bygone era but also the tangible taste of antiquity. The longevity of honey, showcased by these ancient jars, can be attributed to its unique composition and inherent properties. Honey is a natural preservative, a golden elixir created through the alchemical collaboration of bees and flowers. Its ability to resist spoilage is a testament to the intricate processes that occur within the beehive. Honey's remarkable preservative qualities stem from its low moisture content, typically around 17%. This low water content creates an environment inhospitable to bacteria and fungi, microorganisms that rely on moisture to thrive. As a result, honey becomes a fortress against the ravages of time, an impervious guardian of its own sweetness. The ancient Egyptians, known for their reverence for the afterlife and meticulous burial practices, included pots of honey among the treasures interred with the deceased. These vessels, nestled alongside precious artifacts and symbolic offerings, became time-traveling delicacies awaiting discovery by modern archaeologists. As these archaeologists unearthed the pots of honey from the ancient tombs, they were met with a revelation: an edible relic that defied the conventional notions of food preservation. The honey within, still in a consumable state after millennia, beckoned them to taste the flavors of an age long past. The significance of this discovery extends beyond the culinary realm. It provides a tangible connection to the daily lives, beliefs, and rituals of ancient Egyptians. The honey that graced their tombs was not merely sustenance for the afterlife. It was a symbol of perpetual sweetness, an offering to the gods, and a companion for the departed on their journey into eternity. In the modern context, the tale of honey that never spoils inspires awe and appreciation for the natural world's wisdom. It prompts us to marvel at the resilience encoded within a substance created by bees, whose intricate dances and delicate wings are woven into the very fabric of this golden elixir. As we savor the sweetness of honey today, we partake in a tradition that spans millennia. The pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs, now held in museums as living artifacts, remind us that the magic of honey extends far beyond its delectable taste. It is a testament to the enduring mysteries and marvels found in the embrace of nature.